Hello gardeners! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're showcasing 50 spectacular plants perfect for those hot sunny spots in your garden. So whether you want to add vibrant colors or dramatic textures, these selections will make your garden glow all season long. Let's start with Pentas. Thriving in the heat, these hardy plants are a must for anyone in warm climates. With their robust summer durability, they bloom profusely even under the scorching sun, perfect for bedding or container gardening. Moving on to majestic hibiscus. These Summerific varieties stand tall and produce massive, breathtaking blooms up to 8 inches wide, bringing a tropical flair to your garden from midsummer to fall. Verbena, the dependable container filler, spreads gracefully and blooms continuously. It creates stunning wreaths of color, integrating beautifully into any garden arrangement. Ixora thrives in warm, sunny conditions. It's perfect for adding a burst of color to your landscape or even indoors, provided it gets plenty of light and warmth. Next we have Calabricoa, also known as million bells. This versatile plant offers flowers in countless colors and patterns, making it an excellent spiller in any container combo. Speaking of million bells, they flourish in both full sun and part shade, loving moist, rich, well-draining soil. Their continuous blooming makes them a favorite among gardeners. Dahlia, known for its stunning variety, is a popular choice for both in-ground and container planting. With its vast array of colors and forms, it can stand alone or complement other plants in your garden. No garden is complete without sunflowers. Their tall bush-like form is ideal for back of the bed along fences or in large containers, adding height and drama to your outdoor space. Mandevilla brings vibrant color all summer long with its beautiful vining habit and trumpet-shaped flowers. It's perfect for brightening up decks, patios, or garden beds. Finally, we have the spider flower, specifically the Senorita Rosalita variety. Thornless and stunning, this annual thrives in full sun and is an excellent choice for container gardening. Salvia, towering up to 4 feet, sports narrow spires of bright violet blue flowers. Bees can't resist these blossoms, and the best part, Salvia thrives in heat and handles drought like a champ. Join the coneflower craze with their brightly colored blooms and large flowers. These plants have a long bloom time and bring a bold statement to any garden. Looking to add a pop of color? Zinnia is your go-to. These easy-to-grow beauties thrive in the sunniest spots and attract bees and butterflies, making your garden a lively paradise. Stonecrop offers not just beautiful foliage, but also summertime blooms that attract pollinators. It's incredibly resilient, thriving in heat and handling tough growing conditions with ease. As the sun sets, the moonflower opens its large, fragrant white flowers, resembling morning glory. It's a spectacular sight, especially in subtropical regions where it blooms year-round. Crepe myrtle is a true summer stunner, with colorful blooms that last from midsummer to fall. Its fabulous foliage keeps the garden bright all summer long. Globe amaranth is not only beautiful with its globe-shaped flowers in shades of purple, red, and pink, but it's also edible and extremely heat-tolerant. The evergreen plumbago is known for its ability to climb and its profuse blooms from spring through autumn, making it a great addition to warm climate gardeners. Moss rose or portulaca, with its needle-like foliage and vibrant small blooms, is a low-maintenance and hardy plant that shines when placed in full sunlight. Roses are perfect for containers. They flourish on patios and decks, needing just a few hours of direct sun and good air circulation to bloom beautifully. Bougainvillea, known for its spectacular blooms that last year-round, this plant is a fantastic choice for containers. Just give it 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight and let the soil dry out between waterings. Next, we have the stunning yellow bellflower, or Tacoma. Suited for warm, frost-free climates, its tubular blooms in shades of pink, red, orange, and yellow make it a standout in any garden. The enchanting bleeding heart vine thrives under the full sun, producing clusters of star-shaped flowers in spring and summer, adding a whimsical touch to wherever planted. Oleander is a robust ornamental shrub that graces gardens with large clusters of flowers in various colors, blooming throughout the year for continuous color. Don't overlook marigolds with their need for plenty of sunlight and warmth. These bright, cheerful flowers are easy to grow and perfect for adding pops of color. Geraniums are ideal for container gardens, borders, and as bedding plants in tropical climates, flowering abundantly in a range of colors. The hardy catnip is next, featuring silvery green foliage and spikes of purple flowers. It's drought-tolerant once established, attracting plenty of pollinators. Bidens brighten your garden with their daisy-like vibrant flowers. They're extremely easy to care for, requiring no deadheading to keep blooming. Snapdragons add height and drama with their tall, showy flowers. These unique blooms come in a variety of colors, perfect for any floral arrangement. Dusty Miller, with its silvery gray foliage, offers unique texture and contrast, making it a top choice for garden borders, especially in hot conditions. Canna lily is a robust plant that loves warm temperatures, full sunlight, and moist soil. Its striking flowers in shades of red, orange, and yellow are sure to capture attention in any garden setting. Next, meet the resilient adenium, also known as the desert rose. This plant revels in bright sunlight, especially during its active growth in the summer. Its stunning blooms and sculptural form make it a standout in any sunny spot. The cheerful sneezeweed adds a burst of color late in the season with its daisy-like flowers in yellow, orange, and red. Easy to grow, it loves the full sun and brightens up the garden in late summer and fall. Ah, lavender, the scent of the Mediterranean. This hardy native thrives in sandy, rocky soils and full sun. Remember, there are many varieties, so pick the one that suits your climate for best results. Angelonias, often called summer snapdragons, offer dense spikes of flowers in blues, purples, pinks, and whites. They grow beautifully in full sun, bringing a long-lasting splash of color to your garden. The charming dianthus lends a cottage-style appeal, with its scented blooms in nearly every color, perfect for containers, near areas where you can enjoy their fragrance up close. Begonias, with their lush bronzy leaves and abundant flowers in red, pink, or white, are longtime favorites for adding vibrant color to pots and window boxes. Latana's easy-to-care nature and cottage-style appeal make it a must-have. With flowers in almost every color, it's a pollinator magnet and perfect for sunny spots. The exotic princess flower, with its velvety green foliage and deep purple flowers, is a true showstopper, whether grown as a perennial or an annual. Petunias are old-fashioned favorites that have surged in popularity with new hybrids, bursting in colors and patterns. Ideal for window boxes, hanging baskets, and containers, they are truly versatile. Next is the Cufia, also known as the cigar plant or firecracker plant. It's a hummingbird's delight and varies between an annual or a perennial, depending on the zone. Ensure it has well-draining soil and medium moisture to keep it happy. Meet the charming agerodum or floss flower. Its cute fringed petals bloom all season and require no deadheading, making it a low-maintenance star in your garden. King's mantle. This African native shrub blooms in vivid shades of violet, purple, and yellow. It's perfect for full sun exposure and brings a regal touch to any outdoor space. The resilient vinca or periwinkle is known for its heat and drought tolerance. Once established, it blooms in an impressive array of colors, enriching your garden palette. Coxcomb. These unique celosias thrive in full sun and are generally grown as annuals. Their striking appearance is a fantastic addition to containers on your patio or balcony. The hardy liatris is up next, requiring full sunlight to show off its best. Its fierce purple stalks make it an excellent choice for containers, borders, or as a striking accent in garden beds. Blanket flower or Gaillardia pops with brilliant shades like hot pink, coral, yellow, and orange. It's perfect for adding a splash of color to borders or standing out in pots. Our next plant, celosia, thrives in the heat. With flowers in hues ranging from yellow to purple, it's an excellent choice for those long, hot summers, bringing vibrant color to your garden. Lastly, the Texas bluebonnets. Not only are they the state flower of Texas, but they're also excellent for full sun and container gardening, adding a touch of tradition and versatility to your space. And there you have it, 50 fantastic plants that thrive in full sun, each bringing its own unique beauty to your garden. Thank you for joining us, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more vibrant gardening insights. See you in the next video.